and we are exporting this view. Simply click next. So we have imported the section view, the south section view. And this tutorial is specifically about how we can link Revit with AutoCAD, how we can export Revit file as DWG file. So for this, we firstly go on and let's select this project. And this is my office project A101. So let's use this project to link Revit with AutoCAD. So as this is our plan, we can export this plan to directly AutoCAD. So for this, we firstly go into file option, click here, and then click on the export option, and we have CAD formats. This is DWG format, DXF format, DGN format, and let's choose DWG format. Click here. So this is our project which we are exporting to CAD. Simply click here next. So here is the file name, here is the file of type. So we have different type of AutoCAD formats. AutoCAD 2018. If you have AutoCAD 2013, you can use this option. If you have 2010 AutoCAD, you can use this option, and if you have 2000 AutoCAD, you can use these options. I have AutoCAD 2021, so I use this option 2018. So simply click here, then simply click OK. So now let's go in AutoCAD. Here is our project work office floor plan. So simply open it. So as you can see, we have exported a Revit file to AutoCAD. So as you can see, all the work we have done in Revit will be shown here in layers form, in a proper layer form. So let's select any line, let's select it, and you can see we have proper layering of each element in CAD. We have different type of layers. We have layer for furniture, we have layers for and these different type of. So most of the time we have to submit CAD drawings to our clients. So this is the easiest method. You can do all the works on Revit, and then you can simply export the Revit file to AutoCAD and then send to client. So as you can see, we can change anything we want in CAD file. That's we want to export section view in CAD. So for this we again go in Revit. Is a section view. Let's click. We want to export this section view to CAD. So simply go in file option, export, and then CAD formats, WG. And we are exporting this view. Simply click next. Choose type, and simply click OK. So here is our file AutoCAD. So here some open option, we can open this. Have exported. So here is our section view, and this is the elevation south view. So simply select this option and then simply click open. So we have imported the section view, the south section view. As you can see, all the elements in this view will be in layers form. So this is a very easy method, and this is the section view we have exported recently, and then we can also export and different views in CAD. So this is the basic tutorial about how we can export Revit files directly into CAD formats, and then we can change anything or any element. So I hope you understand this tutorial. If you have any question, any query, you can ask me in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.